In today's world, when media and the internet are an integral part of our everyday lives, digital citizenship is crucial. It entails realizing how our actions affect not just other people but also ourselves and society at large. As users of the internet, we have the ability to influence how we engage with other users, create deep connections, and help create a safe and respectful online community.
Online safety is the ability to understand and recognize threats that exist on the internet, as well as having skills and knowledge. To avoid these threats, this includes knowing how to keep personal information private and secure online, protecting device from the malware and avoiding harmful or illegal content, and managing online relationship safety.
Safety. Online safety involves a wide range of practices and measures aimed at protecting individuals and their information from harm while using the internet and digital technology. Involves understanding and mitigating potential risks associated with online activities and secure and positive experience for all of users.
The meaning of online safety. In simple terms, online safety refers to the act of staying safe online. It is also commonly known as internet safety, e-safety, and cyber safety. It encompasses all technological devices which have access to the internet, from PCs and laptops to smartphones and tablets.
Before logging in your account in some other online sites, you should always know about the information, background, and data before giving your details in these sites. You should always know our account safety for our security because we are all have our privacy that we should protect, and we need to take care and to use them in a right way.
Number 1. Understand how the online world works. You wouldn't step into a car without taking a driving test, yet new people access the internet every day without knowing how it works. On the most basic level, the internet is a series of servers connected by a network of both wired and wireless connections. It's a miraculous piece of technology, deserving of the same respect we reserve for other modern marvels like air travel or space flight. Take some time to research how the internet works. That way, you can better understand how to conduct yourself while online.
Right things to do about online safety. Before we log in our social media accounts, make sure the password is strong. Don't trust people who chatted with you, and always think before posting on social media. Never give your password to anyone, especially to people you don't know. And lastly, block the user who chatted with you.
Right thing to do about online safety. What do you do to protect your identity online? We put together a comprehensive internet safety guide full of cybersecurity tips and best practices to help keep you safe online. Looking for information about us specific online safety topic.
Practicing online safety involves being aware of potential threats and taking steps to protect your personal information, digital identity, and well-being. Here are key ways of maintaining online safety. Use strong passwords. Create unique password to each account with a mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. Use a password manager to store and generate complex and passwords.
Dapat gawin research and due diligence before providing any personal details to a website. Take the time to understand purpose, reputation, and security measure. This includes checking for SSL certificate. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar. Indicate a secure connection. Reading privacy policy. Understand how to site collects, use, and protect your data. Looking for reviews and testimonials. See what others have to say about the site. Reliability and secure accounts. Security to protect your accounts is vital. Here are some key steps. Strong password. Use unique complex password to each account. A combination upper lower letters and number and symbols recommended.
Always check your privacy settings. Web browsers and mobile operating system have settings available to protect your privacy online. Social media sites also have privacy enhancing settings available. They are sometimes hard to find as they want your personal information. Make sure you have enabled these privacy safeguards and keep them enabled.
Before we log in our account on different types of site, we also find out what is on the site we are going to use in order to better protect our accounts so that we can make sure if the site we are using is the safe or no one else know what information about ourselves for our safety, because we know that we have our own privacy that only we should know.
Meeting people in online is easy, but giving your life information on them is never right. We don't know if that person is really trustworthy or something bad is planning. This is why we should never give our life information to someone you just met, especially online.
Wrong things to do about online safety. Be careful about what we post on social media and don't give your personal information. We know that meeting people online is not safe for us because we don't know the person we're talking to online. What if the person is planning something bad about us? That's why we should never give your personal information to someone. What is the meaning of online safety? Online safety is being aware and protecting ourselves and other from online harms that you could encounter. This could be security threats and lead to unsafe communication, affect their mental health, and avoiding harmful or illegal content.
Wrong things to do about online safety. So don't put anything on online safety that you would not want a parents or protective employer to see. Similarly, be careful about disclosing personal information about yourself online for example, avoid disclosing your social media biomes.
In the context of online safety, not allowed refers to actions and behavior or practice are prohibited to protect end users from harm and abuse or unethical activities on digital environment. This can include cyberbullying, harassment, intimidation, or bullying of individual online sharing. Personal information, posting sensitive personal data like address, phone numbers, or financial details, hacking, uses access to accounts, device, or system, inappropriate context sharing, or accessing and explained violent of illegal context. Phishing and scams, fraudulent and attempt to obtain sensitive information or deceive individuals online, invasion and privacy spying, or unauthorized surveillance or someone's digital activities. Impersonation, pretending to be someone else, only without consent.
Avoid sharing sensitive information with strangers. It's a good rule of thumb to never give personal information to some you don't know. Well, especially online, this includes full name limit sharing your full name, especially on public profiles. Home address, never give your home address to someone you haven't meet in person. Phone number, be, be caution about sharing phone number, especially with people you don't know. Financial details, never share bank account number, credit card information, or other sensitive financial data online. Useless. Your untrusted and secure website. Beware of phishing scams. Phishing scams to often use defective emails, message, or website on trick.
Online safety, mga hindi dapat gawin. Be careful what you download. Hackers will always try to trick you into downloading malware. Malware is any software intentionally designed to cause damage to a computer, server, client, or computer network. Malware can be hidden in programs or apps and can be used to steal private information. This malware can be disguised as an app, anything from popular game to something that checks traffic or the weather. Don't download apps that look suspicious or come from a site so don't
We should not immediately get to know or trust people when we only meet online, and we should not give out information about ourselves because we know that in this day and age there are many predators. Not that we are now them, but we are just buying careful because of the number of people who are poor today. We are also be one of the poor if we immediately trust in the people we meet online, so don't just trust.